Alright, you have hopefully unpacked your motherboard from its packing, the RAM from the box, the solid state hard drive from the box, and with the solid state hard drive you should find a small screwdriver and a little tiny screw. Don't lose that screw. Okay. Again, with your wrist strap connected to something metal, gently open this bag, and the motherboard has a foam pad on the back of it, so gently hold your hand under the foam pad, and you can gently put your thumb on this black metal heatsink and gently slide it out of the bag. Use the bag as an anti-static surface. That's your new motherboard. The CPU is installed under the heatsink already. The heatsink fan is plugged in right there into the motherboard. Go ahead and turn this. Now that it's sitting there, I'm going to touch my finger to this metal back here, and I'm going to take my alligator clip and I'm going to ground my alligator clip to the big RJ45, which is the big hole in the back of this. You're not going to damage that by clipping onto the side of it. So now I'm grounded to the motherboard. What we're going to do is we're going to put the solid state drive in. Relatively simple. This is your solid state hard drive. It goes into the connector right here on the corner of the motherboard. So I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing with that. So right here is a black connector, and the pins on this hard drive go just above the gold pins on the very top edge. They just gently rock it back and forth, and it goes in, and it'll stay up at an angle if you leave it right there. What you're going to do is you're going to hold it down gently with your finger, and there's a mounting screw right there. And that little tiny screw, I mean, it is a little tiny screw that came with it, is going to have to be, and there's the screwdriver, so you can use that. That little tiny screw, you might want a pair of tweezers. It goes into that mounting hole, and then gently turn it to where it's snug, and when it's snug, press a little bit, give it a little bit of a tighter. That's it. Now that's installed. Now we're going to install your RAM. Let's pull back a little bit.